For hamburgers, we have hamburger meat, and then we have some shredded cheese. Usually I use sharp cheddar, but this is a Mexican blend. And then a little bit of chili sauce. And chili sauce comes either in this or this. This is the better one if you can find it. It's just called homemade chili sauce. And then salt and pepper. Okay. So you mix everything in the bowl except for the salt and pepper, and you wash your hands because this is gross. And then you mix it all together into a big old mush. Just so that everything's incorporated. So then you roll it kind of like this to a little bit of a ball. Flatten it a little bit. You still want it to be pretty thick at the start. And this is I used a little bit more than like 1 1/3 pounds of hamburger. That'll make about 4 patties. 2. So then we warm up either the grill or a cast iron pan. So we'll use the pan tonight. So it gets nice and hot so that when the meat hits it, it sears right away. You can hear it. Sizzle. 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 And I don't season it yet. I just cover it a little bit so that it cooks really well on the inside. Just cover it lightly, and I'll let it sit there for about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Take the lid off. It's so much messier and it's way better on a grill because see all that grease in there. You flip them over. Really messy. Then right after flipping, I always do a little salt and pepper. And cover it again and cook another about 4 minutes or so. So after about 4 minutes on each side, usually on the grill I don't have to do this, but since it was in a pan, I'll set it on paper towel to let it get some of the grease off of there a little bit. See that? It's got a nice little brown to it. It's usually medium well, so it's hardly any pink left in there usually by now.